Oh, their sickness, let some of them die. See, remaining just few. Remaining just few. And look, see, they are pregnant again. Oh, see, Pesh. See, it's pregnant too. See, this one too. They were 42. Now 11. See, the men to remain only two. The women, they remain almost five. And these small ones, only 11. Oh, this is very bad. This is very bad. See, this one too is pregnant. Eh? This idiot is a man. See, this one too is pregnant. But by February, we have new ones. But this weather, it will not favor them. The weather will not favor them because see this one too. See, this one too is pregnant. This is a man, idiot. The men are remaining only two. This grandmother of all of them, more than 10 years old. I think they're talking about 14 to 15 years old now. See, grandmother of all of them, Pesh. Followed by this another this one too. See? Come on, Twitter post. Only you remaining. Thank your God. All the small ones has gone, and this is the mother. She too is pregnant. See? Hey, now wow. See the idiot. Me agora. Me agora. See. If you males are pregnant, then don't carry belly with that. But February the 28 days, by February they have to give him birth. And the way the weather is too cold, it will not favor them. It will not favor them. It will not favor them. Oh.